What was that? Jeez, wow. So guys, welcome back to another short video. I just want to let you guys know that I have purchased a replacement for the M2. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's Christmas. Well, a couple of days is Christmas, but yeah, purchased a new daily. I'm not gonna show you guys what it is yet, but we're down here at George's Performance where I purchased my M2 originally 4 years ago. Look at the stock. What do you guys think? Which one did I replace the M2 with? Is it the C63? Could be. It's a V8 W205, I believe it is. C63. I'm not sure if it's an S. It is an S. It's stunning in its blue paint. Or did I purchase the W204, which is the more rawer V8 AMG? So yeah, come and have a look at this stock if you guys near Lockswood. Yeah, nice inventory. This one really caught my eye, and this might be the car that I purchased. I mean, look at it, stunning body kit, Maxton. I think it's a 2014 V8 R8. Is it a manual? Let me check. Not sure if you can see from here. Possibly. No, it's automatic, so that's nice. Yeah, Lotus is nice as well. So yeah, which one did I buy? Which one? A nice RS3, I believe. Mission black. And a Touareg behind, and another Porsche Macan. So yeah, AMGs and Porsches everywhere. But which one did I buy? It's definitely not a Golf R though, yeah. Just to let you know. No hate, but not for me. GTI is nice. This Wrangler is a beast, very cool. And that FK Type R Honda looks really cool, but a bit too old for me. A bit too boy racer-ish. It's nice. A45S, that's really nice. On a weather like this, you need all grip. Could it be a 595 Abarth? You know, I was considering this. I mean, look at the color. Frozen blue, almost like a Portimao, a bit lighter. Looks good. That'd be a worthy replacement. Gone with the M2 competition right here. Very nice Hockenheim silver. Lovely, I like that. Only trouble with this car is it's gonna feel very similar to my M2 currently, except for the S55. But color-wise, I really do like the Hockenheim silver. Even in a great day like this, you know, it still looks really good. Yeah. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you think I purchased. I'm personally happy with the decision that I made. Hopefully I will not regret selling my M2. You know, I've had the car for 4 years now, so yeah, I think it's time for a change up. But yeah, here it is guys. The M2 is officially no longer mine. My G plate will come off very soon, and it will just look a little bit sad, but I'm hoping that it will go to a worthy owner. Someone who can love the car for what it is. But yeah.